Hey friends, the latest 23H2 update has been released and a lot of users are asking how do they update to the latest version. Now ideally this update should be automatic on your system, like you shouldn't need to do anything, it would push for itself by its own. But if you want to install it before anyone else, then the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll notice this option, get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Turn this on and click on check for updates. It will start checking for updates, and if it mentions that an update is available, then you can simply click on it to download it. And in some cases, it may ask you to restart your computer. So if it asks you to restart your computer, please click on it, but only after all the updates have downloaded and installed. As you can see, it is taking a lot of time to check for updates, and that is because this is a featured update. Your system may restart a few times when you are updating your system to the 23H2 build. I hope this was helpful, and if yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If it didn't help you, then please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.